Hello and welcome to Your Next Car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe presented in Snapper Ox Blue. So alongside being presented in the very eye-catching colour of Snapper Ox Blue, you'll also see it's got a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. Another eye-catching feature for the exterior is the genuine BMW 704M alloy wheels that are in the original Bi-Orbit grey and are in superb condition all the way around. Also sitting behind those wheels you will have seen the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this car having the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. Alongside that, it is a 2017 67 facelift model, as you can tell by the LED facelift front headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, along with the very nice sun protection glazing. And hopefully throughout the video you'll also be able to see that everything we've made in addition really does suit that Snapper Ox Blue colour very nicely. The interior for the vehicle again works very nicely in contrast. We've got a black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options. It's a 6-speed manual, also comes equipped with Harman Kardon, again thanks to that M Sport Plus package. Everything within the interior is in really great condition on this car. It's covered just shy of 36,000 miles. So again, we've got a nice low mileage example here for you. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, centre folding armrest and that very nice darkened M Sport headlining once again. Moving on towards the back of the car, again we'll show you off those premium 19-inch alloy wheels that come all the way around with the mixed run flat tyres. At the back we added a high gloss rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler, LED facelift rear lights, and if you've not yet seen in the boot of a 4 Series coupe you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how big the space is in there, alongside the fact you get split folding seats to further enhance that room. Round at the driver's side, again, you'll see that the Snapper Ox Blue works extremely well with all of the additions we've made, and of course is a very clean and tidy example once again of a 420D M Sport Coupe. And we'll give you one last look at those wheels before I head on inside to go over yet more special features of the interior. Starting, of course, excuse me, with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Being that it is a facelift vehicle, we've got not only the facelifted iDrive, we've also got the Professional Plus. Professional Plus means we've got touchscreen ability, so I can simply go into any of the sub-menus I would like, touch in there, and then carry it on using the touchscreen function. Always a very good place to use it on the sat-nav. As you can see there, I can zoom in and then simply touch into a destination of my choice and then start the route guidance to that specific point. Moving away from the satellite navigation, we've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. And going back to the very main menu, in a second I'll check out the vehicle service information and service requirements of the car. Another thing to keep you connected on the go in this vehicle is the Connected Drive Plus, giving you access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. And that uses the car's own onboard 4G network. Over here you'll see there that, as I mentioned, it's covered 35904. It's got the high beam assist function. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And I shall now go ahead and just show you the service requirements and service history of this wonderful 4 Series. So the next service for the car is due in 17,000 miles time, so that's plenty of time. And we've got full extensive BMW service history for the car. Down here, dual climate controls along with switches for those lovely heated seats. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe. Once again, hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do want any further information, however, remember that down into the description you'll find a link to our website, where of course you can obtain further information regarding prices, funding options, alongside more useful bits of information for this wonderful car, alongside all of our other amazing examples. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Take care, goodbye.